Today we will see session number 3 in Catia. Sketch editing tools. In Catia, computer-aided three-dimensional interactive applications. Sketch editing tools are essential for creating and modifying sketches, which are the foundational elements for many 3D models. Here are some of the key sketch editing tools in Catia. First one is the profile tools, and second one is the constraint tool, and third one is the operation tools. We will see in Catia. Just click on Start tab, after that mechanical drop down and select Sketcher. When you are just entering sketches, just click on Sketch and select XY plane. You can see here constraints are there, sketch tools are there, user selections filters are there, profiles are there, and operations are there. Understanding constraint. This in CATIA computer-aided three-dimensional interactive application, constraints are essential for defining the relationships and the rules between the different elements in your design. Constraints ensures that parts maintain their intended shapes, positions, and orientations throughout the design's process. Here are the primary types of the constraint used in CATIA. First one is the geometrical constraint and dimensional constraint. We will see first one, geometrical constraint. First one is the coincidence, means ensures two top points or a point and curve coincident. We will see. Firstly, draw two circles are there. First one, after that, second one. You just select circle point and this circle point. So that just go in a constraint definition box. You can see a coincidence. This is the result. This is called as a coincidence. Second one is the parallelism. Keeps two lines parallel. We will see in the Katia. We are just drawing two lines. This type line, again this type line. Control, select first line, select two second line, and go in a constraint definition box. You can see here parallelism. Just click on parallelism. This one is a parallelism. Just click on OK. Third one is a perpendicularity. Ensures two lines are perpendicular. We will see in Katia. Control, select first line, select second line, and just open constraint definition box and perpendicularity. You can see here. Here is a perpendicularity. You can see here two lines in between perpendicularity is going on. And the fourth one is tangency. Keeps a line tangent to a curve. We will see in a Katia. Firstly, draw one circle and draw one line here. Control, select circle and select line and click on constraint definition box. You can see a tangency. This symbol is showing a tangency in between them. Fifth one is the concentricity. Ensures two circles or arcs shows the same center. We will see in a Katia. Firstly, draw one circle. Again, draw one circle at the main center point. Here. Control, select first circle, select second circle, and just open the constraint definition box. You can see here concentricity. Just click on it and OK. You can see, and symmetry is there. Keeps elements symmetrical about its reference. Sketch analysis are there. Sketch analysis in CATIA involves checking and ensuring the integrity of the sketches created in the sketcher workbench properly. Constraints of sketches are crucial for creating accurate 3D models. This staff explains how to analyze sketched geometry and how to diagnose geometry. You will be provided either a global or individual status and will be allowed to correct any problem stated in the status. Open the sketch analysis.cat part document, select tools sketch analysis from the menu bar, or alternatively click sketch analysis in the tools toolbar, 2D analysis tools sub toolbar. Thank you.